Dash cam footage is part of the public record in South Carolina, but a new bill filed at the State House would allow law enforcement to keep it hidden. We begin with our 7 News reporter Ann Maxwell. She has more now on the proposed changes.
Attorneys tell me this would be a loss for transparency and accountability. The South Carolina Sheriff's Association president tells me this isn't a change for which they've been pushing. Law enforcement dash cam video is subject to the South Carolina Freedom of Information Act, or FOIA. That means the public can get a front row seat to arrests and police chases.
Still be a public record, you would just have no way to get access to it unless the agency voluntarily gave it up.
But that could soon change if a bill filed in the State House of Representatives were to become law. Columbia Attorney Jay Bender says that means less accountability.
My guess is it was a subtle attempt by law enforcement to hide misconduct.
The director of the South Carolina Police Chiefs Association declined to comment. The bill's co-sponsor, Aiken Republican Representative Bill Taylor, told the Greenville News he thinks dash cam video should be like body cam video, which does not have to be released under the Freedom of Information Act. He said the public availability of dash cam footage could violate someone's privacy. Greenville attorney Sam Tucker says dash cam video is an important tool in holding law enforcement accountable.
If we cannot hold them accountable as a citizenry, well, then we're in danger of abuse by the government.
The bill also proposes a new way to settle disputes over which records must be released under state law. Instead of taking complaints regarding the Freedom of Information Act to circuit court, the bill calls for the creation of an Office of FOIA Review within the Administrative Law Court, which is part of the state's executive branch. But as Attorney Jay Bender points out, the bill would exempt dash cam footage from the office's oversight.
With this change, a recording from a dash cam would remain a public record, but the public would have no mechanism to force police to turn over the video.
A Greenville Police Department spokesperson says they don't use dash cameras because they were phased out under the previous administration when they got body cameras. A Greenville County Sheriff's Office spokesperson declined to comment on pending legislation. In Greenville, Ann Maxwell, 7 News.
Representative Taylor did not respond to our request for comment. That bill is currently in the House Judiciary Committee.